Welcome back to All Girls Garage. We have our 2012 Dodge Avenger in the shop, and we just finished doing brakes and motor mounts on this. Very, very needed. And now we're turning our attention to another very needed repair. Well, cosmetic repair on this bumper. He damaged it hitting some sort of animal. We're not sure what exactly, but it definitely needs to be fixed.
Absolutely, and this is a major concern for the customer. And I find that a lot. Like, there's a bunch of mechanical things wrong, but like the customer tends to hyper-focus on something like this that is right in your face. And so this was on our long list of things that the vehicle needed. But like a lot of customers, this customer had a specific budget. So while this was super important to him, the more we kind of dug into this car, the more we realized, it's a little bit lower down on the scale of importance in terms of how to best spend his money. So, first we looked online and we found a bumper for about $200. We're like, great. Then we started calculating in, okay, shipping it to the shop, painting it, time to take the bumper off, put a new one back on, whatever clips we break while we're in there, it was looking like about $600 to $800 on a rough estimate. We're like, you know what, that is not going to cut it. So we decided to get crafty instead.
Yeah.
That's right. Welcome to Craft Hour with Bogey and Faye. We're going to be using this lovely epoxy.
Yeah, so you might be familiar with Gorilla Tape. This is that super, super strong tape that has 9 million uses. Well, what you might not know is that Gorilla Tape also has a bunch of other types of products that are equally strong in different applications. So for this application, we're using their 2-part epoxy. Super easy to use. It comes with this little mixing tray kind of built into how they package it. And you mix it up. It's manufactured with a super tough nylon and engineered to sit between the tire and the alloy to protect those rims. Alloy Gator can fit a wide range of wheels, from 12-inch all the way up to 24-inch. Of course, you're going to want to color match your vehicle, so they have 14 colors to choose from to allow you to customize it. Potholes are everywhere, so guard your wheels from those bad roads with Alloy Gator wheel protectors.